Hello, and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek. I'm Mikey G, and it's Thursday, December 15th. Tesla has launched Tesla Electrek to become an electricity retailer through its Powerwall owners, starting with markets in Texas. Tesla has been working on this new product for a while now, and it's a big step towards the company's goal to become a global distributed clean electricity utility. At one point, Elon Musk theorized that energy segment could outgrow the car segment in terms of profit. Earlier this week, we reported that Tesla received approval from ERCOT for a statewide market design pilot for small distributed energy resources to provide grid service exports. Now, clearly, Tesla was ready to roll out with this new program as it has been approved. While this is starting in Texas, it's likely that Tesla is already lobbying to make this available in other markets. Tesla previously noted that moving through the politicians can be slow when they began offering Tesla insurance. Tesla has reportedly acquired land in Nuevo Leon, Mexico, and it's on the verge of announcing a plan to build a factory on it, we believe. Earlier this year, people crossing the border between Texas and Nuevo Leon were surprised to see not just the usual marked lanes for cars and trucks, but also a border crossing lane that was marked just for Tesla. We ended up finding out that Tesla had struck a deal with the state of Nuevo Leon to have its own lane at the crossing to reduce wait times for cargo going through the border. Now, while it's true that Tesla already has several suppliers in the state, rumors began to emerge of a factory being built south of the border. Local media reported that Tesla was particularly interested in a location in Santa Catarina, a municipality just outside of Monterrey. Following the visit, the government confirmed discussions of a possible investment in the state. And now, Tesla has bought land there, and we're almost ready to call it a new factory. However, what kind of factory remains untold. Tesla has lately announced plans for factories producing battery cells and battery materials, but with the scale and pace of the growing EV market, the automaker could be segmenting more of its component production when it's feasible to do so. Elon Musk has sold another tranche of Tesla shares, this time worth $3.6 billion. The sale was announced in a Form 4 filing with the SEC on Wednesday night. The sale represents almost 22 million shares. Just last month, Musk sold off a similar amount and put the money into Twitter, announcing at a company meeting that it was necessary to save the site. It seems likely that the sale was for the same reason, since as far as we know that he has not bought a home, a country, or a planet. Yesterday, Musk said that the acquisition of Twitter would benefit Tesla investors long term. But in my opinion, Elon Musk certainly put his money where his mouth is, more so than anyone else I've ever heard of. Except maybe the widow's mite. Tesla has dropped the price on its already cheap home charging station for EVs as it tries to make its connector the standard for North America. The automaker is challenging the J1772/CCS combo connector, which has been adopted by virtually all other automakers selling vehicles in North America. But, remembering the Betamax, this very well could be an uphill battle for Tesla. They're coming out swinging, dropping the price of their home unit for charging to $350. For comparison, there's another one called JuiceBox. It's a 40-amp charger for $700. Tesla previously began offering this unit at BestBuy.com, perhaps trying to prove that they don't care about controlling distribution. With this price reduction, it does bring up an interesting ace in the hole. Tesla is selling their other version with the J1772 plug, but it's listed for $550 instead of $350 for their own. Perhaps this is because of the licensing fee just to use the J1772 plug. If other automakers can escape licensing fees, I think it'll work. It could. Cadillac has announced the Celestiq EV has been sold out through at least 2023. The vehicle is supposedly in the ultra-high end of luxury, according to the automaker, hand-assembled in low volume. Cadillac announced in October that the price tag for the Celestiq would be upwards of $300,000, with personalized features that would run the price up further. The Celestiq will be the first production vehicle that's built by hand at the GM Global Technical Center in Michigan. While production is slated for December of 2023, the ultra-luxury EV is only available by waitlist. I actually have 3 of them on order, one of them for weekdays, a second for the weekend, and a third one just in case the other 2 are dirty. Ford has increased the price of the base F-150 Lightning. The electric pickup truck now starts at $56,000. That's more than $15,000 over the original price. When Ford announced the F-150, it surprised many with a starting price of $40,000. It appears that they were aiming to compete with Tesla's Cybertruck base price, but Cybertruck has been absent since that time, so perhaps they are taking advantage. In all reality, most customers opt for the higher-end version of any electric vehicle, usually because they have a larger battery pack with more range. The cheapest way to get the Lightning with the long-range extended battery pack is the XLT trim level, and it now starts at $81,000. 2023 should be a much bigger year for the Lightning than the previous one, as Ford has talked about producing 150,000 electric pickup trucks next year. Rivian has made some changes to their online configurator, adding a little bit of range, but axing a lot of options. The R1T now shows 328 miles of range for the quad-motor large pack configuration, a 14-mile increase. The R1S now shows 321 miles, which is up by 5. What's even more interesting is that Rivian's configurator has removed any range estimates for the dual-motor large pack configuration on either EV. Aside from the welcome performance improvements, Rivian fans are a little less psyched that Rivian has removed nearly all of their add-on accessories: spare tire, cargo crossbar, and the camping tent. Rivian has previously been public about removing their accessories like the cam kitchen, tonneau cover, and the gear tunnel rack, as these ones are getting revamped designs. According to a new report, Ford is deciding an EV battery factory in the U.S. with China's CATL that includes a unique arrangement to collect tax benefits. Ford would reportedly own 100% of the USA facility, and at the same time, Chinese company CATL would run operations using its technology to build battery cells. Ford said in July that it had secured 70% of the required EV minerals to achieve its 2 million run rate target from 2026. This was done after partnering with both SK Innovation and CATL. In addition, they broke ground at their Blue Oval SK battery park earlier this month. Clearly, Ford's race for battery hegemony is heating up. In today's community comment found on YouTube, Martin Woods says, "Don't know how Tesla shareholders are going to benefit from Twitter, according to Elon Musk. Maybe the benefit is that buyers can buy Tesla shares cheap when Elon sells some of his shares to fund Twitter, as he did earlier this week." You know what, Martin? I think that is a good point. For those who are hungry for Tesla shares, the price is at a particularly low level around these times. Musk really is taking one for the team, I suppose. Not only did he sell his shares of all of Tesla for this, but the sale of his shares also devalued his holdings in Tesla anyway. Double whammy, I guess. Elon Musk has been upfront with his master plan in the past, so I am eagerly awaiting if he makes one for Twitter becoming profitable. For him to break even, he needs to plug the sinking ship of Twitter and then make up for the sale that he did of devaluing Tesla's stock. But if there's anyone who can do it, it's Elon Musk, right? I mean, he was once challenged to end world hunger, although I'm pretty sure that challenge was just a cold hard bluff. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. I'm Mike AG, and I hope you have a great day.